Okay, greetings. Here's another model or ornament that I'm making. So it's an ornament really. Okay. But you can have it as a model for model collectors or even a toy. Okay. For people for children that are old enough to know about childproof things. Okay. 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 Okay, so I'll be putting a course on this that is not a course, a lessons on how to make it on the internet soon, here on YouTube. I also make them to sell at a negotiable price. So if you're interested, contact me. Okay, the address will be given below where this is sold in Gumtree. Please contact me if you're interested, and thank you for listening and watching, and take care. God be with you.